Good morning, everyone. My name is Alison Whaley. I'm the Director of Director of Student Experience at Cranfield University, and it is my pleasure to open today's ceremony. And can I firstly, on behalf of our Chancellor, our Vice-Chancellor, and all the staff at Cranfield University, offer you a very warm welcome today. Today is all about you, celebrating your amazing achievements at such an extraordinary time. And I hope today you're ready to just fill in with some of the graduation spirit, make some noise, and we are so ready here. I'm in the Martel House studios. We are ready to celebrate you. So do bring the noise, bring the energy. We are all about graduation spirit at Cranfield University. So my job today is to guide you through the ceremony. We're going to go through various stages. We've got members of staff here ready to celebrate with you as well. And also, I just want to say actually a special shout out to the members of staff today of Cranfield University that are also graduating. Congratulations to you specifically as well. Okay, so shortly you will hear from my colleague, Professor Mark Jolly, who will take us through the candidates' names. But I would like to formally get things underway with an address from our Chancellor, Dame Deirdre Hutton. Congratulations again, everybody.
Hello, everyone. As Chancellor of Cranfield University, I would like to extend a very warm welcome to each and every one of you. Thank you so much for joining us on this very special day, this important milestone in each of your lives. Of course, it's a shame that we can't be together in person to celebrate today, but I do hope that you're able to enjoy this virtual ceremony with your family and your friends. Graduation marks a culmination of the academic year. It's a joyful occasion that brings the whole of the Cranfield community together. This is actually my first year as Chancellor of the University, and I am delighted to be part of this very special university, to be leading this ceremony and to be celebrating your degrees today. You've all worked incredibly hard to complete your programmes of study, so well done indeed. Cranfield's specialist postgraduate education and research is globally recognised, and our graduates go on to influential roles in business and in government right around the world. This year will be no different, but you are a very special cohort. To accomplish what you have in the middle of a global pandemic is a truly amazing achievement. So congratulations to all of you. I'd also like to take this opportunity to pay tribute to our Vice-Chancellor, Professor Sir Peter Gregson, who is retiring from the university at the end of this academic year. Peter has been a completely inspirational leader of the university. He's transformed our campus, as you can see from all around us, and he's enhanced our academic standing and ambition. Cranfield's strength is always in its people. That sense of community is at the very heart of what the university stands for, and you will always be part of that very special community and its influential network around the world. So, graduates, as we celebrate your outstanding achievements, we also look to the future and the opportunities which lie ahead for each and every one of you. We hope that you'll keep in touch with the university and always remain part of our global family. Congratulations again, keep in good health, and my very best wishes for the future of each and every one of you.
Good morning, everyone. And on behalf of the school and our programme within the theme of manufacturing, I'd like to begin by offering my congratulations to you all. Colleagues, family and friends, I'm delighted to present the following candidates who have had their awards conferred by the authority of Senate, having successfully completed taught programmes of study. Advanced Materials, Master of Science, Richard John Almond. Abdul Wahab Bachit Al-Zahrani. Kui Xiao Wei. Benjamin Matthew Dunn. Thomas Fleet. The BAE Systems Prize, Daryl Gauchi. Huang Bei, Chinedel Onya, Demetrios Segalis, Vincenzo Fabrizio Ventoya, Wei Guo Gong, Xia Yuhuang, Zhang Lang Chin, Zhang Chao. The Institute of Materials, Minerals and Mining Prize for the Best Group Project in the Field of Materials, Jiang Ting Ting. Now please unmute yourselves and congratulations everyone on your fantastic achievements. Well done.
Hey.
Yes.
Aerospace Manufacturing Master of Science, Tawfiq Fikre Aser, Deva Nanan Anjit Ram, Rashid Hamad Alotaibi, Louise Camille Pierre Branley, Chung Jian, Darren Ashwin Damani, Fang Munti, Satish Sandeepa Gonkal Desai, Pauline Goldray, Huang Jia Chung, Olaya Leku Comoron, Li Chen, Luo Wei, Armand Martinet Ferret, Clément Louis-André Morgan, Tanmay Shinda, Sway Cheng Min, Professor and Mrs. McEwen Prize for the Best Thesis, Meghna Balakrishna Suvana, Xie Pangfei, Zhang Yi. Aerospace Materials Master of Science, Elise Andro Bere. The Institute of Materials, Minerals and Mining Prize for the Best Group Project in the Field of Materials, Julie Beatrice Monique Chevalier. Jiang Serom, Li Tian. The Institute of Materials, Minerals and Mining Prize for the Best Group Project in the Field of Materials, Lu Yang. Now everybody, please unmute yourselves and congratulations on a fantastic achievement. Well done.
Congratulations all.
Brilliant.
Congratulations,
Fantastic.
Congrats, everyone.
So aerospace manufacturing.
Yeah.
Right here, we've got.
Engineering and Management of Manufacturing Systems, Postgraduate Certificate, Yash Pachani. Engineering and Management of Manufacturing Systems, Postgraduate Diploma, Meshak Asilio Nueama. Engineering and Management of Manufacturing Systems, Master of Science, Sahar Isham Al-Bakhali, Rayan Al-Kunani, Monira Al-Omram, Talal Fahad Talal Al-Ghrayer, Dua Ahmed Al-Rufaibi, James Ashley Bartlett, Chai Chun Chung, Srinivas Shamathi, Chung Si Singh, Kai Ji, Ankit Antanu Chowdhury, Adolfo Crespo de Castillo, Paul Emile Jean Dibot, Suhail Elavakatu Abdul Salam, Ramona Farkas, Audrey Fernandez, Lucia Fernandez, Moises Gonzalez Guembe, Celia Hazi, Wanitsaya Kantumun, Rashmit Kaur, Surendranath Lorada, Mikhail Krainin, Lin Juan, Liu Yu. The BA Systems Prize for the Best Performing Student in Manufacturing, Guillermo Lorenzo Fernandez Shaw. Ongad Man. Now, congratulations, everybody. Unmute yourselves and clap. Well done. Fantastic.
Nice,
Brilliant.
congrats.
Congratulations all.
Congratulations, everybody.
Well done, everybody. Engineering and Management of Manufacturing Systems, Master of Science. Rohit Misra. Daniel Moron Gonzalo. Tusara Kanta Nath. Kartikan Rajendran Jayabalan. Eloy Ernesto Ruby Sanchez. Wang Chenchu. Wang Tse Huang. Zhou Hiran. Zhou Hiran. Zhu Yu Hao. Engineering Competence Postgraduate Certificate. Thomas Bullingham. Carl Carter. Zachariah Prendergast. Samuel Strothers. Engineering Competence Postgraduate Diploma. Nanaya Ma Ampoma. Akure, Michelle Akure. Nicholas Madgwick Anderson. James Apicella. Venus Zaira Anketa Arsenio. Alim Baksh. Matthew Graham Ball. Thomas Bates. Harrison Box. Jessica Bull. Gary Bush. Jasveer Singh Chana. Manveer Singh Chanda. Bradley Cherry. Andrew Stewart Clifford. Daniel Cockfield Hall. Alexander Cook. Cameron Cosgrove. Owen Cowley. Joshua Martin Davis. Russell Dodds. Samuel John Emily Smith. Alicia Michelle Feledziak. Vishal Goradia. Kylan James Grafton. Now unmute yourselves and please congratulate each other in the usual way. Well done. Fantastic.
Come on, guys.
Engineering Competence Postgraduate Diploma. Guy Mackenzie Hale. Gillian Rachel Hart. Kirsty Hawthorne. Christopher Allen Higton. David Peter Hodson. Jay Holland. Alasdair Irwin. Ryan Jackson. Gaspar Maxim Kaczewski. Amma Karolia. David Castai. Jake Colliari. Stephanie Lever. Jake Ian Lester. Makanaka Madzingira. Kelvin Mate. Hakan McCracken. Harry McRae. Mohammed Jabayad Mia. Jacob Thomas Morali. Joel Ormerod. David Owen. Robert Cameron Park. Georgina Parker. Tom Pearson. Jonathan Poulton. Amrik Roland Carl Puyat. Christopher Thomas John Prentice. Taimur Hassan Rana. Guillaume Vincent Redonnet Brown. James Rigby. George Jerome Daniel Russo. Christopher Sargent. Thomas Lee Smith. Adam Daniel Stapleton. Fergus Stewart. Hayley Stretch. Muniba Suleiman. Samuel Tapp. Si Ho Eldon Se. Ekene Ukanamena, Faisal Umarji, Danya van den Berg, Enzo Vanesh, Matthew Richard Wassel, Aaron Y. Engineering Competence, Master of Science, Christian Petrut Balan, Paul Duncan Enright. Now unmute yourselves and give yourselves a round of applause. Really go for it. Clap. And cheer. Well done. Congratulations. Fantastic. Global Product Development and Management, Master of Science. The Institute of Materials, Minerals and Mining Prize for the Best Group Project in the Field of Materials. Gilbert Abi Radu Abu Jade. Huang Sonji. Etienne Félix Hunt. Quentin François Jérôme Michelat. Nuria Peranau Ol. The Sukhit Gatora Memorial Prize, Ariadna Pu Engel, Daniel Vázquez Navarro, Tony Frank Vineyard, Faris Wali, Huang Shi Zheng, She Chao Wen, Yen Yuan Xing. Unmute yourselves and congratulate each other. Well done, fantastic.
Yeah.
We did it, guys. We did
Brilliant.
it.
Congratulations,
Well done.
guys.
You did it. Management and Information Systems, Master of Science. Fatima Al-Faraj. Omar Al-Ahabi. Teddy Ancoma. Pierre-Louis Aubert. Romain Benjamin Barnou. Jean-Sophie Mathé Chateauneuf. Joan Colina Taijido. Marine da Costa. Javier de Onieta Santaugini. Paul Duval. Mathieu Marie-Alain Favreau. Marie Gourlet. Quentin Yanni Yazurin. Antoine-Marie Kirchner de Plante. Li Qian. Li Wenyi. Caroline Claire Catherine Lismont. Nilo Yetos Pont. Laura Margaletti. Arnold Elie Mel Neumann. Olaida Adeola Alatunde. Florian Babiche. Twinkle Panchal. Alexandre Vincent Clément Faramond. Amélie Denise Germain Priot. Nicolas Jules Claude Royer. Jaume Seramayera Guerin. Elliot Raphael Gaston Svedge. The British Computer Society Prize for the Best Performing Student. Juan Samuel Tirado Alvarez. Evangelos Zolos. Mathieu Adrien Pierre Willot. Wu Songbin. Hyung Jae. Su Mingren. Unmute yourselves, everybody, and congratulate each other. Well done. Fantastic. Brilliant. You got it.
Guys.
Well done.
Congratulations.
Congrats.
Congrats, guys.
Manufacturing Technology and Management, Master of Science. Naijish Joshi Autokaran. Ezet El Fishawe. Go Shou Chuen. Kei Chung. Georgios Karadimas. Ma Len Yu. Professor and Mrs. McEwen Prize for the best thesis, Thomas Martinez. Felida Naomi O'Neill. Nathan Ricardo Rocha. Ja Cho. Medical Technology Regulatory Affairs, Master of Science, Tala Abdullah Khan. Metal Additive Manufacturing, Master of Science. The Course Director's Prize for the Best Student, Ray Lena May Brand. Carlos Carrillo de Albornoz. Ali Gandour. Joe Miskell. James Andrew Parker. Sustainable Materials and Manufacturing, Master of Science, Victoria Louise Minns. Welding Engineering, Postgraduate Certificate, Glenn Lyford. Welding Engineering, Master of Science, Tobilaba Samuel Akinwumi, Dhruv Bhatt, Muhammad Bilal, Craig Condy, Jimmy Dutton, Michael Mark Hollis, Vitalis Jefimovs, Jomo Sabu John. The TPS Welding Technology Award, Aaron Kirkbride, Joseph William Law, Daniel Paul Thompson, Raymond Van Mosel, Wong Che Cheng, Sean Richard Wheeler, Ravin Sanjay Wijayaratna. Now unmute yourselves and give yourselves a fantastic round of applause. Well done, everybody.
Well done, guys.
Well done. Well done.
Wow, thank you, Mark, and thank you, everyone. I think that was definitely the loudest we've had it so far, so well done for bringing that energy, and I hope that was the special moment that you've all been waiting for, and of course we've got a few names to follow. But at this stage, I would just like to move us on to a slightly different stage in the ceremony. And every year at Cranfield, we really like to celebrate the outstanding achievements of individuals that we work with across the varied sectors. So whether or not that's through our education, through our research, the one thing that unites us is our shared ambitions. And it is my pleasure to say today that we are, of course, recognising people with honorary degrees. And as we do that, we welcome them to the very special Cranfield community. So I will now pass you over to my colleague, Professor Dame Helen Atkinson, and she is going to introduce you to one of our honorary graduates for 2021. Over to you, Helen.
Thank you, Alison, and let me first add my congratulations and very best wishes to you all today. I'd like to introduce Dick Elsey. After a hugely successful career in the automotive industry, Dick has until recently been the chief executive of the High Value Manufacturing Catapult, the go-to place for advanced manufacturing technology in the UK, with over £800 million worth of assets, supporting both industry and academia. Dick takes a very keen interest in innovation in engineering at a national level, and he's played many key roles, including as a member of the board of the Aerospace Growth Partnership, which brings together the aerospace industry, and as a member of the Automotive Council's Technology Group, where he's been responsible for the manufacturing agenda. Last year, at the height of the desperate panic around the lack of ventilators for COVID patients, Dick took on leading the national team tasked by the government with producing ventilators to the required healthcare safety standards at such incredibly short notice. The team, I know, worked night and day producing prototypes and then manufacturing. I know Dick is very proud that the UK now has a stock of ventilators which can be drawn on, and I think some of those have actually gone out across the world to support other countries, and they can support needs as they arise. Dick has been hugely supportive of Cranfield, including as chair of our Manufacturing Council, which provides wise advice to the manufacturing theme. It's our huge honour a few weeks ago to confer an honorary degree on Dick for his massive contributions to manufacturing in the UK and beyond. And so it now gives me great pleasure to share with you a message from Dick Elsey. Thank you.
The receipt of this wonderful piece of recognition marks my 40th year as a practicing engineer involved in manufacturing. In that time, I've experienced firsthand the value that can be created from the development of new products and processes. I've seen billions of pounds worth of value that started as a set of ideas on a whiteboard and become commercial reality. But it's not just been the economic value that's been created, it's also been societal, with products that have improved people's lives, given them freedom of mobility, and have provided many with positive impact of valuable employment with real purpose. It's no surprise that every nation in the world wants a rich seam of advanced manufacturing at its heart. In that 40 years, I've also marvelled at engineers' ability to do things better, faster, and cheaper using less resources. And it was in my personal quest to do things better that I first took guidance from Cranfield. And this was in the 1980s when I was determined to do a better job of running car programs at Land Rover. With Cranfield's help, we turned a small business making about 30,000 cars a year into a modern vehicle manufacturer. Now, doing things better, faster, and cheaper becomes a reflex response for engineers, which, unlike many other reflexes, increasingly does not diminish with age. In fact, it increases with experience. And this is best illustrated by the response from the engineering community here in the UK to the pandemic. This time last year in the UK, as many nations, we were short of critical medical devices, intensive care ventilators, and UK government asked industry for help. Some of our best engineering talent and our biggest manufacturing businesses got together to repurpose themselves to make complex medical equipment. The boundaries were pushed beyond the seemingly impossible, with 11 million parts procured in the first month, 5 factories built in 3 weeks, and 20 years production of devices assembled in just 12 weeks. To be involved in that, indeed to have personally led it and to witness what was possible, was a life-changing experience. It demonstrated the true transformative effect of engineering and manufacturing. Now, the challenges facing the world as we emerge from the pandemic are no less of emergency than the pandemic itself. Take our response to climate change. We will not go backwards. The solutions will all be driven by science and engineering, and this will create demands for unprecedented amounts of innovation. 50% of the technology we need is not yet in the market, so just think what opportunities lie ahead. My 40 years has bestowed me with extraordinary opportunities. The next 40 will totally eclipse that. There are limitless opportunities for graduates equipped with the skills from great universities like Cranfield, and those conferred will have the world at their feet and the solutions to the world's problems in their hands. I can think of no better time to be a scientist, an engineer, or a manager of complex programs. It is with great pride that I receive this honorary degree from an institution I hold in such high regard. Thank you.
So it's very good to hear from Dick. Colleagues, family and friends, we now come to the presentation of candidates who have had their awards conferred by the authority of Senate, having successfully completed programmes of supervised research. So for the degree of Master of Science by Research in Manufacturing, Hanlin Chen, Washington Cristobal Ortega Jaren, Munmuhit Pawar, Zhenbiao Wang. For the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in Manufacturing, Yusuf Al-Duray Wish, Mudaffar Al-Efari, Abdullah Foo El-Anazi, Hind M. Al-Ghamdi, Bandar Farhad Al-Harbi, Sirhan Al-Shamari, Ali Muhammad Ali Al-Shifdifat, Elaf Ali Al-Sisi, Farhan Ashraf. And if you would all like to unmute, please congratulate each other on this great achievement. I know how amazing it is to get a Master in Research or PhD. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, guys.
Congratulations. Brother Ali, congratulations.
Thank you, Brother Farhan. Thank you. Congratulations, all of you.
And we then come to continuing with Doctor of Philosophy, the PhD in Manufacturing, Philip James Bridgman, Inigo Gregorio Fernandez del Amo Blanco, Yusuf Nabil Yusuf Haddad, Svetlin Isaev, Jose Yuria Luna Andrade, Bernardine Namoano, Damilola Kayode Ogundana, Arun Brabakar, Shuaib Sarfraz, Dabasom Sedigi, Adison Sirikam, Nassim Soliman Ian, Stefano Tedici, Leslie Ann Ray, for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in Renewable Energy Marine Structures, Wai Jun Lei, for the Engineering Doctorate, the Eng.D. in Composites Manufacture, Gabriella Voto, for the Engineering Doctorate, the Eng.D. in Manufacturing, Mohammed Ahmed Ali Darwish, for the Engineering Doctorate, the Eng.D. in Sustainable Materials and Manufacturing, the Worshipful Company of Founders Award, Cynthia Edi Arbai Adu. And for the same degree with the Cranfield Armourers and Braziers Prize in Manufacturing, Sarah Yassir. Congratulations, everyone, on this fantastic achievement. It really is amazing to get a PhD. Please unmute and congratulate each other.
Congratulations. Enjoy the celebration.
Well done, everyone.
Well done.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Helen, and congratulations to you all. So as Director of Student Experience at Cranfield, it's my pleasure now to move us on to the Student Voice section of this ceremony. It's so important for us to hear from our students, as you've got such a unique perspective in what it really means to get a degree at Cranfield and all the ups and downs that come with that. And we always like to ensure this is part of our ceremonies because we really feel humbled and inspired by everything that you've achieved. Normally that's the case anyway, but what you achieved through ultimately a global pandemic is exceptional. It's an extraordinary achievement, and I really, really am truly humbled by that. So well done, everybody. And with no further ado, it's my pleasure to introduce you to our Student Voice candidate who's actually just had her name read out. She's one of our engineering doctorates today. Her name is Cynthia Ediabai Adu, and I will pass you over to Cynthia now. Thank you.
Hello everyone, and congratulations to the graduating class of 2021. First, I would like to acknowledge how inspirational it is that we are still able to celebrate our various achievements collectively from different corners of the earth. It is important to acknowledge that the class of 2021 has had a completely different experience from previous years. So wherever you are listening to this right now, you deserve a round of applause for persevering and making it this far. Although we must all agree that this is not a feat that we carried on our own, significant operational changes and sacrifices have had to be made by our university, supervisors, student support team, lab technicians, family members, and even our partners. So without further ado, I would like to say a big thank you to everyone that supported us. Upon my reflections on the year we've had so far, there are two things I would like to inspire us with: the beauty of first times and persevering through innovation. The beauty of first times. We've had a unique experience of education. For example, my Viva was my first examination to be taken online for me. As with many first times, you'll be nervous or excited, sometimes no clarity of how things will pan out. This past 2 years has been one of many first times. First online graduation for some of us, first time having to meet our course mates over Zoom instead of in person, spending significant holidays away from family, and first global pandemic of the information age. As you head out into the world of careers, entrepreneurship, traveling, or whatever it is that you're passionate about, it is likely that you'll be faced with more first times with uncertainty. However, do not fret, but simply we should look back at how far we've come and we will succeed again. To my second point on persevering through innovation. Isn't it outstanding that education did not stop? In fact, it cannot be stopped. The educational institution has been a key part in managing situations we've been faced with today. Research from the UK higher institution has led to the life-saving vaccine that some of us have had the privilege of taking. Innovations have been happening despite the challenges that we've been faced. Cranfield itself has identified the post-COVID era as an opportunity to research and innovate, a few of which include supporting supply chain disruptions, using unmanned aerial vehicles for medical delivery, and research to ensure that the billions of PPE required to keep us safe are made from sustainable plastic and do not cause further destruction to our planet. So, when we are finding situations difficult, once again, I hope that you will be inspired by these reflections. My hope for us all is that when we are met with challenges, we should not give up and we should see it as a chance to innovate oneself. So to my fellow graduates from the class of 2021, in all that is to come, let's remember to reflect on the beauty of first times and persevering through innovation. Once again, congratulations, class of 2021.
Thank you, Cynthia, for those words. That was very inspirational. I love that section about the beauty of first times. Really nice. So it's now for me to start to bring today's ceremony to a close. But before we do that, so I will shortly be handing over to our Vice-Chancellor, Professor Sir Peter Gregson. But before that, a final chance to say congratulations, everybody, and I really hope you feel celebrated today. I can't convey enough to you the energy there is on the campus right now to celebrate you. And I also just wanted to say that after Sir Peter has finished his speech, please do stay tuned because we have a lot of very special congratulatory messages that we want to make sure you hear. So stay tuned after that, don't go anywhere. And as I said before, in the Zoom rooms, please do stay put there. Feel free to have conversations, to catch up with each other. We won't be closing those rooms. They are staying open for you to have the conversations that you want to have and those very important catch-ups. And it's all to do with the Cranfield community. Okay, so with no further ado, it's my pleasure to now pass you over to Sir Peter Gregson, our Vice-Chancellor, who is going to share with you our closing address. Over to you, Sir Peter.
Well, thank you, Alison. And to our graduates, let me first of all say I hope that you and your families are and keep safe and well. And let me go on to add my congratulations to the whole of the graduating class of 2021 and to say thank you to Cynthia for those inspirational words from our student voice. You should all be extremely proud of what you've achieved, and we're very proud of your achievements too. I'd also like to thank the staff of the school and the wider university for the part that they've played in supporting you. When I think back to my own personal experience when I gained my PhD, I remember looking to the future with a mixture of excitement, anticipation, and with some trepidation. And none of us have ever experienced a global pandemic like the crisis of the last 18 months. This challenging time has been a test for us all, and your achievements today are all the remarkable for that. But Cranfield graduates are recognised across the world for the ambition and the impact that they have on business and society. For the School of Aerospace, Transport Systems and Manufacturing, led by Professor Dame Helen Atkinson, these values of ambition and impact are reflected in our leading partnerships with global names such as Rolls-Royce, BAE Systems, Babcock and Airbus. These values are also seen throughout the distinguished career of our honorary graduate this morning, Dick Elsey. He has championed the cause of the manufacturing industry with distinction, and we welcome him to the Cranfield community. Now, as we look to future horizons, I have no doubt that you will make your mark on the world, as so many Cranfield graduates have done before you. In the words of Harry S. Truman, progress occurs when courageous, skillful leaders seize the opportunity to change things for the better. You are the leaders of today and tomorrow. Armed with the skills and the knowledge that you've gained from your master's and doctoral studies here at Cranfield, you have the opportunity to make your mark on the world. And as we celebrate your outstanding achievements, please remember that you're not alone. You're part of an alumni community with influential groups around the world. You may have already experienced the power of that alumni network through a funded scholarship, a prize, or a professional opportunity provided by one of our alumni. And you will continue to derive support from that network in the years ahead, wherever your career takes you. So whatever the path you tread, please keep in touch with each other through the Alumni and Development Office, because your stories and your successes shape Cranfield's global reputation. You are the greatest ambassadors for our university. This year is our university's 75th anniversary. Reflecting our origins as a Royal Air Force base, the motto on our university coat of arms behind me translates as, "After clouds, light." I share that sense of optimism as we celebrate your achievements, and I look to the future with confidence. So congratulations again on your achievements, and my hopes and best wishes are with you all. Well done.
Universe apply for the unconditional support. Many thanks to a friends, lecturers, thesis professor Dr. Amir that supported me throughout the course, and million thanks to a Cranfield universities and staff for this amazing journey. We made it! Stay safe and hope to see you guys again. Let me know if you come to Thailand.
Congratulations to each and every one, and hoping and praying that we get to see each other someday soon. Good luck, everyone. Congratulations.
Hello everybody, it's Katrina from Careers. I just want to wish you all the best and say congratulations. Enjoy your day. Bye.
This is Maggie Cotter, Assistant Registrar in Saturn. I'd just like to congratulate you on your fantastic achievements and wish you every success for the future.
Hello, this is Helen from Careers. I'd just like to wish you all a very, very happy graduation. Obviously it's been quite a challenging year, but you've still worked so hard, and you get to graduate and get your much deserved qualification. We'll raise a glass to you virtually and hope you enjoy the ceremony. Well done.
Hi, it's Diane from Careers. I just wanted to say a massive congratulations to all of you on your graduations today. You've worked so hard. It's been lovely supporting some of you with your journeys. I know it's been a challenging year, but you've really earned this, so enjoy your celebrations and well done again.
Hi, I'm Ellie Collins, Head of Events at Cranfield University. I just want to say a massive congratulations to you all. I hope you're having a fabulous graduation day. I wish you were with us on campus. It would be lovely to see all your happy faces. Hope you're having a fab day.
Hello all new Cranfield University graduates, and big congratulations to you all. I'm Ursula Dukes from the Careers team here at Cranfield University, and I just would like to say well done, amazing achievement. It has been a difficult year for many of us, with many challenges we had to face, but it really made us that little bit stronger. So looking forward, I would like to say the best of luck for your careers and for your future. Enjoy your day.